Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish Cuisine, my Desi kitchen with the Western touch. Today I'm sharing the recipe of Aloo Gosht, potato and meat curry. Potatoes cooked with choice of your meat in a curry with authentic Desi spices. You can serve it with chapati roti, naan or boiled rice. Today I'm sharing my family secret recipe, so let's go and cook it. So for this potato and meat curry, things we need will be meat. I'll be using goat meat today, but you can use beef or chicken as well. And I prefer to use the leg part. You can use whatever your family likes to eat. Then I have potato cut in half, peeled. Then I'll be using some basic curry spices, which is coriander powder, red chili powder, salt and turmeric powder. Of course, ginger and garlic, some yogurt, and then I have fried onions. You can use raw onions and start your curry from there as well. All the quantities are given in the description box or in the given link below. So as a first step, I take yogurt and then fried onions and blend in a blender. You can add water until you get a smooth mixture. I do this step just to avoid the chunky onions for my curry. Now heat a pan, add oil and your yogurt and onion mixture. Then add your ginger and garlic and all the spices including red pepper, coriander powder, turmeric powder and salt. Now mix everything and start cooking on a very low flame covered until the oil separates and it comes on top. Now here I want to share a tip how slowly and how good your curry is cooked at this point, the better the result will be. And I learned this tip from my dad. So I just put it, simmer it and then cover it and leave it until I can smell the nice curry aroma coming in my kitchen. So you can see at this point, this is done, all the extra water will get reduced and oil separates. So this is the basic curry which is done for my potato and meat curry. Now add meat and start stirring until meat cover all the cooked curry, and at this point I leave my meat covered for a little while until it releases all its water. So it will get a little fried and cooked. So now if I'll be using a chicken, I will add the potatoes right away. But if I use beef or a goat meat, I let it cook through the halfway. And if you want to add water at this point, you can add, but I think like meat releases its own water and it's enough to cook the meat. So now cover it again and let it cook the halfway through, and then we come back and add the potatoes. Now I add potatoes and some water. It totally depends how runny you want your gravy should be. I add like half a cup, but as I mentioned, it totally depends up to you. So now just stir everything and then cover and cook until your potatoes and meat is completely tender. As a side note, I want to tell you here that in my family we like a little runny potato meat curry, so I add a little more water. So here you can see the oil is separate, it's coming up, the potatoes and meat is completely tender. You can add water or reduce water at this point as well. If you accidentally add more, just reduce it, or you can add more water at this point. Now in the end, I add some chopped cilantro and then some garam masala at this point. Just stir and then I just cover it and leave it on dum for like 5-10 minutes. While serving, I garnish it with more cilantro and sprinkle some garam masala on top. If you like this recipe and try it at home, please take a picture and send it to me. I would love to share it on my other social media mediums, Facebook, Twitter or Pinterest or Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and be a part of morEwish family.